Good morning, students. Today we learn how to find the values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Those are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, and their application. Finding trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. Let us take an isosceles right triangle ABC. Right angle at B. Angle A and angle C are acute angles. When it is isosceles triangle, both the angles are equal. So angle A is 45 degrees, angle C also 45 degrees. Let us take the sides AB and BC as A units. Then the hypotenuse. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we find the side AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Taking AB and BC as A units, you will get AC square as 2A square. AC is square root 2 A units. Now let us write the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle A. Sin 45 degrees is opposite, which is BC, and hypotenuse AC. BC is A units, AC is root 2A, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC, which is equal to A by root 2A is equal to 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degrees is equal to BC by AB, opposite by adjacent, which is equal to A by A is equal to 1. Let us write cosecant 45 is reciprocal of sin 45, which is equal to root 2. Secant 45 is reciprocal of cos 45, which is root 2. Cot 45 degrees is equal to reciprocal of tan 45 degrees, which is equal to 1. I hope you understood. The specific angle here is 45 degrees. The values for trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. Finding trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. For this, let us take an equilateral triangle ABC with sides 2A units. Here AB, BC and AC 2A units. Then all the three angles are equal to 60 degrees. Let us draw a altitude from A onto BC, which is perpendicular to BC. Let us name it as D. The length of its altitude AD, how to find? Let us take the triangle ABD. Using Pythagoras theorem, we find AD distance. So AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square, which is equal to 2A whole square minus A square is equal to 3A square. Then AD becomes root 3A units. Now the measure of each of the acute angles in triangle ABD. ABD triangle and ACD triangle are congruent to each other by RHS congruency. Then by CPCT we can say BD is equal to DC and angle BAD is equal to CAD, which is equal to 30 degrees. Now let us take the triangle ABD and find the trigonometric ratios for 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now let us find first the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. As we discussed, we'll take the right angle triangle ABD 90 degrees at D, angle B is 60 degrees and angle A is 30 degrees. Now we'll start with angle A. Sin 30 degrees, angle A opposite side is BD and AB is the hypotenuse. So BD by AB is equal to A by 2A, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos 30 degrees is AD by AB, which is equal to root 3A by 2A is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is BD by AD, which is equal to A by root 3A is equal to 1 by root 3. Cosecant 30 degrees is reciprocal of sin 30 degrees, so which is equal to 2. Secant 30 degrees is equal to reciprocal of cos 30 degrees, which is 2 by root 3. Cot 30 degrees is equal to reciprocal of tan 30, which is equal to root 3. Similarly, we find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. So here sin 60 is opposite here is AD and hypotenuse is AB. AD is root 3A and AB is 2A, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent to angle B, which is BD by AB. So BD is A and AB is equal to 2A, which is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite, which is AD, and adjacent is BD, root 3A by A, which is equal to root 3. Now let us write the reciprocals of all these. Cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 60, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Secant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 60, which is equal to 2. Cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 60 degrees, which is equal to 1 by root 3. We find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees. For that, let us take a circle of radius 5 units and a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Let us take angle A as beta and angle B as alpha. If we make angle A smaller, now see angle A is 29.69. If now it is 27.87. Now what you are observing? When angle A is becoming smaller and smaller, the opposite side BC is also becoming less. So now BC is 1.58. Now see the angle is decreasing, the BC is also decreasing. So as beta decreases, the side opposite to angle A decreases and the hypotenuse meets the adjacent side. Now see the hypotenuse is AC, it is meeting the adjacent side AB. Now slowly the point C gets closer to point B and finally angle A becomes 0. Now AC is equal to AB. Then let us see the trigonometric ratios for 0 degrees. Sin 0 is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is becoming 0 when the angle is becoming 0. So BC is 0 here. So 0 by hypotenuse is 0. Now cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 is AB by AC. AB is equal to AC. When angle A becomes 0, AC is equal to AB. So which is equal to 1. Now tan 0 degrees. Tan 0 is opposite by adjacent. Here opposite is becoming 0. 0 by anything is 0. Now with this knowledge you can able to find the reciprocal of all these three trigonometric ratios. Those are cosecant 0 degrees, secant 0 degrees and tan 0 degrees. Let us find the trigonometric ratios for 90 degrees. So in this, let us see if we make angle A larger and larger in this triangle ABC till it becomes 90 degrees. Let us see what happens. See, now the beta is increasing, maintaining angle B is 90 degrees. So the beta is 73.68 now. The beta A became 78.74. Slowly the angle A is increasing. The length of the side AB goes on decreasing. The point B gets closer to the point A, and finally angle A is becoming very close to 90 and angle C is 0. Now side AC is coinciding with BC. So as beta increases, the side adjacent to angle A decreases and hypotenuse meets the opposite side. So in this case, what are the trigonometric ratios? Now sin 90 degrees is BC by AC. BC and AC are becoming equal to each other. So it is 1. Now what is cos 90? Cos 90 is AB by AC. Here AB is becoming 0 when angle is 90. So AB by AC is 0 by 5, which is equal to 0. Now let us see the tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 is BC by AB. BC is equal to 5 units and AB is becoming 0. So 5 by 0 is not defined. Now we got sin 90 degrees, cos 90 degrees and tan 90 degrees. Now find the reciprocal of these cosecant 90 degrees, secant 90 degrees and cotangent 90 degrees. Let's summarize whatever we calculated till now in a tabular form. So all sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Write this table in your journal and we proceed to apply these values in the exercise. Let us start doing exercise 8.2. The first question, evaluate the following. In that first question, I have taken third sum, which is cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. Substitute the values of the specific angles. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 by secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 degrees is 2. Take the LCM in the denominator. Root 3 is the LCM. Then divide 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 goes up. Root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Then multiply root 2 into 2 plus 2 into root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 3 becomes root 6. Now rationalize. We learnt this concept in 9th grade. So multiply both denominator and numerator with 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. After multiplication you get this value. So in the denominator you simplify, you will get 24 minus 8. In the numerator you multiply. So you will get the answer as 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. With this knowledge you can able to do the first question, first sum, second sum, fourth sum and fifth sum. In the evening task you do second question 1 to 4 sums. Now I'll explain the third question. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, it is given as 0 degrees less than a plus b less than equal to 90 degrees, and another condition given here is a greater than b. Find a and b. For this, let us write what is given to us. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Then and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. It is given to us. Then write tan a plus b is equal to root 3 is tan 60. So in the place of root 3 write tan 60. Tan get cancelled and a plus b is equal to 60. In the same way, tan a minus b is given 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 3. So a minus b is equal to 30. By solving equation 1 and 2, you will get 2a is equal to 90, a is equal to 45. Substitute this a value in equation 1. You will get b as 15. So angle A is equal to 45 degrees and angle B is equal to 15 degrees. Now you can do the fourth question. First complete the third question in your journal and do fourth question. Take evening task as example sums 6 to 8. That's all for today. Thank you.